If you own a classic 6267 Chevy II or Nova and would like to improve your car's front end, then let's take a look into the CPP Complete Front Suspension Rebuild Kit. A complete upgrade kit that provides performance, reliability, and show quality restoration in one package. This kit is fully loaded with everything you need. The kit includes the following: 2-inch drop springs giving you a perfect stance without compromising the ride. Stamped steel control arms manufactured in heavy-gauge steel, pre-assembled with ball joints and ready to bolt on. OE-style spindles and steering arms, which restores factory geometry and fit. Nitrogen shocks, 180 psi nitrogen-filled, monotube design for improved damping. Full steering linkage compatible with either power or manual steering. Idler arm, pitman arm, center link, and tie rods are included. Bump stops included to prevent overcompression and protect suspension components. So why choose CPP's all-in-one solution? This kit eliminates the guesswork with no need to source individual parts. Every component is precision engineered for perfect fitment and durability, giving your Nova that fresh from the factory feel and look, along with CPP's superior tech support. To sum it up, this CPP kit brings a complete, high-quality front-end rebuild straight out of the box. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.